From Sooner Standards, Protecting Physical and Digital Electronic Information, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.NI.CY.01. Students learn to explain how to protect electronic information, both physical and digital, and identify cybersecurity concerns and options to address them. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual protection comparison chart, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons of no prep HQIM aligned instruction across 36 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.